If you're new to dropshipping and you're looking for the perfect dropshipping app to help you launch your store, or you're looking to take a step up from fulfillment directly on AliExpress, then you've probably come across CJ Dropshipping. In this video, we're going to walk through how to quickly connect CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store. There are two ways to connect your CJ Dropshipping store. The first way to connect CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store is by going directly to their website. If you haven't already created an account, click on the link below in the description to visit their website. So when you open the CJ Dropshipping site, you'll see a lot here. So the first thing you want to do when you're on the CJ website, there's a button here that says sign in. Click that button. If you don't have an account, you click on sign up here and you just register. You enter your standard information and then you can enter your username. Just say CJ Demo. And then you have to put in a phone number so that they can send you a confirmation text. Click on confirm. They have these few steps. You have to fill out this quick 3 to 4 question questionnaire. So which platform are you using? How many orders? Product categories. And if you don't know what product categories you'll be using just yet, just click a few of them. You have to select 3. So there is this email confirmation here. So the first thing that you'll want to do is click on verify email. By default, they don't send you this email, so you actually have to click on the verify link. And then you have to click here, which it says email. It's an email security verification. So click send, and then they'll send that verification code to your email. So we'll go into our email. Then you take the code that goes to the email and you just drop it here. Okay, now you're verified. And so now you're all logged in. This guy gets super annoying. So just click on never remind me again and no thanks. Now we're all set up with CJ Dropshipping. We've created an account. The next thing that we're gonna wanna do is go up here to authorization and let's go to Shopify and click on add store. Let's go to click on authorize. Now that we already have our CJ Dropshipping account, it's sending us over to Shopify to install the app. So click on add app and then click on install app. The store is connected to CJ Dropshipping, and then the way that we would confirm this is we go to authorization, click on Shopify, and it shows us the store that we're now connected and logged into. We've now successfully connected CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store directly through the CJ Dropshipping website. The second way to connect CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store is by going directly through Shopify, installing an app, and going through the sign up process that way. So let's look at our online store. Let's go to apps and let's go to recommended apps. And what we'll see here is CJ Dropshipping is one of the top recommended apps in the Shopify interface. So let's go to add, let's go to install app, and let's go to create new CJ app. And this is the same sign up process as if you went directly to the website and signed up. We'll walk through that process here. Pop this here, password, and then let's go to next, and then let's go and let's click on confirm. Just like before, we'll still have to go through and answer these first few questions. So we're going to be integrating on Shopify. You're going to go, you're just starting a business, how many categories, and just select a few categories here. And then we are in. And of course, we're going to click here. No, I don't have any products, or let's just click never remind me again out of that. And then we still have to go through this email verification process. So click on verify email, click on send here. We'll grab the email verification code, pop that in. So let's go over to our authorization, look under Shopify, and we'll see that this new store that we created is now connected. So that's it. That's how you connect CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store. If this video was helpful for you, feel free to leave a like. And for more tips on building your brand, hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you guys soon.